and welcome to a special May the 4th episode of Cocktail Hour with Bozorth Beverages. Today's cocktail is going to be a Dark Side and Stormy, inspired by the dark side of the Force. We're going to be using a pint glass for today's drink. You can use a rocks glass, but we are going to be using a very large ice cube today. Witness the power of the fully operational ice cube. So we will start with 2 ounces of dark rum of our choice. Going to use 1.5 ounces for double ginger syrup. We will use 3 ounces of our ginger limeade. You can use seltzer water instead of ginger limeade if you find our lack of fizz disturbing. We'll give that a good stir. And there you go, our Dark Side and Stormy. Thank you for joining us for another episode of Cocktail Hour with Bozorth Beverages. As always, the recipe can be found in the description below the video, and all of our recipes and products can be found on our website at bozbev.com. That's BOZBEV.com. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and may the Force be with you.